Hello everyone, this is the part 4 of my 101 Golden Rule of English Grammar series. Do watch it, note the points down, repeat them, memorize them and try to use them in separate or different sentences. Always remember, the more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in war. So keep practicing and do. Number 21. If words, score, dozen, hundred and thousand are preceded by any numbers, they take no plural form. As for example, he has 3 dozen pencils, not dozens instead of dozen. He made 200 runs, not hundreds instead of 100. But when those words means indefinite or uncountable numbers takes s at the end. As for example, hundreds of men were arrested, thousands of boys assembled there, dozens of seats remain vacant. In all these sentences, the numbers are indefinite and they must not be counted. So, in all these, the plural form of hundred, thousand and dozens is used. Number 22. Word never used in plural form when it means one's promise. As per example, we should always keep our word. Here word means promise. Otherwise, words is equal to sentence. As combination of words make sentence. As per example, the words that form the sentence are splendid. Number 23. A noun should always agrees with antecedent in number, person and gender. As per example, I, who am a good man, should not do such a work. Number 2. You, who are a good person, should avoid it. In the number 1 examples, I is the subject or noun and am is the verb which is agrees with I. In number 2 example, you is the subject or noun and it must be agrees with the verb that is are. Now, what is antecedent? The person or things qualifies by the relative pronoun. It must be preceded by the relative pronoun. This is called the antecedent. Example, this is the book that I bought last week. 24. Possessive form of pronouns such as my, our, thy, your, his, her, its, one's, etc. used as possessive adjective. Remember, all these are used as possessive adjective. A noun after possessive adjective must be used. As for example, my books, all his demands, her dress. Here, my, his, her, all are possessive adjective and a noun. As for example, books, demands, dress, etc. are used after that, just after the possessive adjective, and it is mandatory. He is our friend. Here our is possessive adjective. Number 25. Pronouns ours, mine, thine, yours, hers and theirs used as possessive pronoun only, and no noun after those words is used. Example, this book of mine. I am a brother of yours. He is a friend of ours. Yours is a new car. Nota bene, the points noted below, that is possessive pronoun never take apostrophe as yours, its, ours, etc. If we use apostrophe between its, it means it is. It is the abbreviation of it is. So we must never use the apostrophe in possessive pronouns. Number 26, use of a in different sentences as follows. Number A is equal to 1. He has a pen in his hand. Here A means 1. Number B, A is equal to any. A common man can do that. Means any common man can do that. Number C, A is equal to same. Birds of a feather flock together. Here A means the same type of person. D, A is equal to par. He earned Rs 200 a day, means per day. So all these are different uses of A in different sentences. So this is the end of that lesson, and the next will be come very soon. Do watch it, note down the points, try to remember them, and do your best to get all that to your mind. Best of luck.